In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order shoes from Alibaba. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, plus a few quick tips so you can avoid common mistakes. First, open your browser and go to Alibaba.com. If you're asked to sign in or create an account, just follow the prompts. At the top of the homepage, click into the search bar. Type shoes to see a wide selection or refine your search with terms like running shoes or leather boots. After pressing enter, you can use filters like price range, minimum order quantity, or supplier verification to narrow results. This helps you quickly find products that match your budget and requirements. When you see a product that catches your eye, click it to open the product page. Take a moment to scan the photos, the description, and the variations. Look for minimum order quantity, size availability, color options, and the estimated delivery timeline. Check the supplier's rating and recent reviews to confirm quality and reliability. If something isn't clear, the chat button on the page lets you ask about customization, packaging, or shipping details before you commit. Once you're confident, select the size you need. Alibaba listings may use different sizing systems, so check the size chart on the page and convert between US, EU, and UK sizes if necessary. If you're unsure, it's better to ask the supplier for a measurement guide to avoid returns. Next, choose your quantity. Pay attention to any price breaks for larger quantities and the minimum order required. Updating the quantity will often refresh the estimated price, so verify the total before moving on. Now click Start Order. This begins the checkout flow, where your selected variation and quantity are locked in. You may see shipping options here depending on the supplier's settings. Finally, fill out the shipping address. Enter the full street address, city, state, or region, and postal code exactly as your local courier expects it. Include accurate contact details and a delivery note if needed, such as a gate code or a preferred drop-off location. Double-check everything for spelling and formatting. Small typos can delay delivery. That's the entire process from search to shipping details. Follow these steps, confirm your selections, and you'll be well on your way to getting your shoes from Alibaba with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy ordering.